So, totally forgot to kind of give you the lowdown on this. Yes, this is a document to help you with um, knowing what is due, but again, don't click on it and try to type on this. This isn't your document. And I mean, you can make a copy of it, but I've already made you a copy of this in Google Classroom. So how do you access that information? So on your stream, I have, new assignments, those posts, you can access it from there. But it's not as organized. I was talking about, like, the stream is a little chaotic. If you go to your classwork, the units are all kind of divided up more efficiently. So here you'll be able to access, these assignments. So if you click on it, sorry, it's not going to look exactly like yours, but this is what it will say. But it'll have your name right here. So you click on it, and this one, it'll say so-and-so's cattle unit assignment dairy, assignment 1 dairy. And then you can type directly on this document. But everyone should have their own. I will double check that on all assignments, but everyone should have their own. If you have to, like, ask for permission, you need to just make a copy of this and then turn it in. Please do not share it to me. There was actually some students that shared stuff. I will not grade it if it is shared to me. You have to turn it in on this link. So when you click this, your assignment, you will need to turn it in directly on Google Classroom. Okay? So with that being said, don't share. Turn it in on your Google Classroom link. I can access those right here or under classwork. Sound good? If you have any questions, let me know. But don't share. Okay? Love you guys. Miss you so much. And hang in there. Let me know if I can do anything to help you.